Pounded this afternoon with high winds. As you can see from our Cape May camera, the flag getting whipped around there and the ocean waves crashing in with a powerful force as well. Eyewitness News reporter Howard Monroe is on the shore with more on the conditions there. He's live with a mobile weather watcher in North Wildwood. Howard.
Well, Janelle, it is gorgeous out here. The sun is shining brightly and also it looks really pretty. And then you get out of the car and you realize exactly how windy it is. We're out here at the Hereford Inlet Park. And as you can see, this is the ocean here. You can see the white caps there. They are blowing out to sea. That's because the wind is so strong that it is not allowing the waves to crash on the beach. They're actually crashing inland, as you can see there. So there is very little beach erosion along with this. Now, the National Weather Service says that people will be dealing with very high winds of up to 60 miles an hour until later on this evening. Now, as you can see right now with the live picture is that the wind is also so strong it's actually pushing that sand out. It looks rather interesting when you're out here. Now, if you do plan on coming out here to the beach, I'll give you two pieces of advice. One, don't talk too long because you might get a mouthful of sand. Also, if you are driving, make sure you take it slowly because it is very difficult to try to navigate yourself throughout that while you're driving, especially if you're going over the overpass. So we're going to be out here. We're going to see exactly what they are dealing with out here. We saw some people earlier who are coming out, to try to see exactly what is going on. Many said that, the ocean didn't look too choppy. It looks choppy to us. But we'll be out here talking with them throughout the rest of the afternoon. But for now, live in North Wildwood, Howard Monroe, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right.